Suppose there is a way to make $500 repeatedly without any ability, no investment and no experience. Well, $5 could look very tiny, yet they add up very quickly. You can expect to see your balance expanding each day. Actually, many people worldwide are presently making $100 up to $300 or more daily with a secret approach. They are just ordinary average people, yet they have taken up this chance on this new trend. Now you are in luck since you have clicked this video. By watching this right now, you will be among those fortunate few to learn about the secret technique and be one step ahead of other people. In this quick video, I will show you everything step by step, including signing up for a free demo as an example, and also more significantly some special bonus ideas to gain double money quicker. So make sure to stay tuned and watch up until the very end. But before we start, welcome to our channel and make sure to subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to click on the notification bell so whenever we post a new video online, you will certainly be updated and you can begin making things happen. Also, please give this video a large thumbs up. If you have any concerns, questions or opinions about the video, leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video. First of all, I want you to go to this website right here, which is remove.bg. Basically, on this website, you can do this for 100% automatic as well as cost-free. On this website, you can remove the background of a picture. So, say as an example, this is your original photo with a girl. And then behind her are trees and all the backgrounds. So, when you utilize this software and also this website right here, you can remove the background and also only leave the girl. And also the guy right here, this is exactly how you can remove the background using this brand new opportunity. So right now, all you have to do is go back and click on this blue button right here to upload a picture. As well as right here once again, I will use this as a quick example. As you can see below, with just one click of a button, I upload the original picture on remove.bg and this will automatically remove the background. Also, leave only with a girl and all you need to do is simply continue and click this blue download button. You can see I can start downloading this without also creating an account, without spending a single cent on this website. And also again, you can do this on your computer or you can do this on your phone too. That doesn't matter. Today, I intend to reveal to you a couple of websites that you can use to earn money using those services. Now, the first one is actually Fiverr.com. When you come to this homepage, you can type in a keyword that is colorized pictures. Afterward, you want to continue the search button right here. And then you can come onto this page. As you can see here, you can see different people from all over the world who are selling the service. And also, when I scroll down below, you can see that people are colorizing a black and white picture. Say for example, this one. They colorize this black and white pictures right into colorful photos. I think it's being billed $10 for doing that. As you can see here, some people left a comment about the services. It indicates that people are really purchasing these services. There are many people from all over the world and are earning money utilizing this chance. They colorize the black and white pictures as you can see right here and put some colors onto these images. So, say for example, the seller right here is providing his coloring service professionally. All he does is colorize the black and white pictures right into a colorful image. He can sell it for a certain amount of money. So let me take place to the calculator and as you can see below, $20. There are 633 people getting the service from him. He is making $12,660. An extremely big earning by just simply colorizing images, utilizing a free website such as this one right here. You know what's even more incredible is you can set up your very own fundamental package or a standard package which is $30 or perhaps a premium package which is $50. The earning chance is extraordinary, as you can see below. So I intend to show you how easy it is to locate a method to make money online if you understand properly to do it. If you wish to sign up for a free account on Fiverr and start selling and earning money online, all you need to do is continue and click this Become a Seller. After that, you are going to come onto this page where you can sign up for a free account. So all you need to do is go and click on this green button right here to become a seller. Right here you can place in your email address and also go on and click this continue button. So the second website I want to show you that there are more opportunities for you to earn money, and this website is PeoplePerHour.com. Now, when you click on the search button right here and intend to click the search offer, you can see that many people are selling different services on this website. Today, I desire you to enter a keyword, background removal, and I want to press the search button. As you can see right here, some people are selling background removal services up to $35 by simply removing a background from a picture. That's exactly what we can do utilizing the remove.bg website. And it's extremely easy within a few seconds. With a number of clicks, you can do this as well as start selling the service on this website. When I scroll down below, you can see so many sellers are making money utilizing this opportunity by just removing the background of photos, similar to what I showed you just now at the beginning of the video. People are selling these services for $5, $10, $20, up to $40 simply by doing that. So, if you are merely getting going, all you have to do is just charge for $5 and you can sell a lot of them. For example, this service right here, background removal. But this guy is selling for this amount by simply removing background. For this, lots of photos. Now it appears that there are a lot of pictures, but as you can see right here, it's really easy. Just a couple of seconds and you can remove a background automatically without any experience. To ensure that's the chance that I want to show you that can assist you to earn money online. If you sign up for a free account on PeoplePerHour.com, all you need to do is go ahead and click on this right here. After that, you are most likely to come to this page where you can sign up for a cost-free account. So make sure you select this category, which is I want to work as a freelancer. Then click on this button right here, sign up with email, and then right here you can place in your name, your email and password and sign up for a free account. That's exactly how you can utilize this website remove.bg to make money on Fiverr and PeoplePerHour.com. That's it for now. Before we go, make sure to subscribe to this channel and click on the notification bell, hit the like button, and I will see you in the following videos.